What's up, Parker fam? Welcome back to our channel, where we explore all things travel related. When it comes to traveling, the one thing you can't do without is luggage. So we want to share our review on Level 8 luggage that you definitely don't want to miss.
Imagine cruising through the airport with the sleekest, smartest, most innovative luggage you've ever seen. And we're giving you our thoughts on Level 8 luggage and why we think it's a game changer. Level 8 luggage has features like a durable hard shell, spacious compartments, TSA approved locks, and smooth rolling wheels. Level 8 luggage is designed for the modern travel.
We've taken this luggage on several trips, including busy city streets, rural landscapes, and crazy airports, and this luggage has proven to be incredibly durable and held up well.
Let's talk storage. With its cleverly designed compartments, packing is a dream. Everything has its place.
And check out how smoothly it moves. It's like a dream, making tight connections and long walks through terminals a breeze.
Plus, with the TSA approved locks, we can travel with peace of mind knowing our belongings will remain safe and secure throughout our journey, and that only authorized personnel can have access to your luggage when necessary.
Whether you're an experienced traveler or just starting your journey, Level 8 luggage is a must-have for anyone on the move.
Now let's talk about the star of the show, the expandable Grace EXT. This luggage has been thoughtfully created to take care of all your travel requirements, even more. Whether it be a quick business trip or weekend escape, this suitcase has everything you need. This suitcase is perfect for tech-savvy travelers as it has a dedicated compartment at the front for laptop. It is not just a simple pocket, but a well-thought-out solution to keep your electronic devices safe and easily accessible. You no longer need to rummage through your luggage to find your laptop, as you can easily slide it in and out of the compartment. The best part is that it can accommodate laptops up to 15.6 inches, give you a snug and secure fit.
We all know that luggage goes through its fair share of bumps and knocks during travel. That's why the Grace EXT is crafted from high-quality material. It's not only lightweight, but incredibly durable. The 3-layer micro diamond texture surface adds an extra layer of protection, making it scratch resistant and tough enough to withstand the rigors of travel.
Navigating through airports or city streets is a breeze with the Grace EXT. Thanks to its 8 rubber covered 360-degree spinner wheels, you enjoy smooth and effortless mobility. Couple that with the ergonomic aluminum telescoping handle, and you have the luggage that glides with grace.
The Grace EXT is a suitcase that can expand to give you more room for your belongings. You can unzip it to make more space for your souvenirs or other items you want to bring. Inside, you'll find a spacious interior with cross straps and dividers. These features make packing a breeze, helping you keep your clothes neat and wrinkle-free. Multiple pockets are strategically placed to help you organize your belongings, from toiletries to travel documents.
The Grace EXT is a compact and stylish companion for quick business trips or weekend adventures. It measures 21.8 inches by 14.5 inches by 9.8 inches, including wheels and handles, and can expand an additional 1.57 inches in width with a weight of just 9 pounds.
This luggage set comes with 3 pieces: a 20-inch carry-on, a 24-inch check bag, and a 28-inch trunk. It's perfect for various travel plans and great for family trips. You also have the option to purchase each piece separately. This way, you can tailor your purchase to your exact needs. We found this to be the best luggage we've ever owned.
And just for our subscribers, we have a special offer just for you. Use code PARKERS10 at checkout for 10% off your purchase. Just use the link in the description.
Now, if you would excuse us, we have to go plan our next cruise.
Parker's out.